My daughter has a big game tonight. I'm so excited to watch her play.
I plan on cooking my wife her favorite dinner tonight, lasagna.
But I was late for a meeting.
But my child had an appointment.
But I was late for school.
Trash and recycling collection is the 5th most dangerous job in the county. 40% of injuries and fatalities are transportation related.
We're just trying to keep the community clean. If you see flashing lights, please slow down.
We all have things to do and places to be, but there's no excuse for speeding around stopped trash trucks. Help our trash collectors get home safely each night. Slow down to 10 miles per hour below the posted speed limit when passing the trucks and leave at least 2 feet of room. Slow down to get around isn't just a law, it saves lives.